Hi everyone. So this is multi-threaded download manager software. I have developed this in C++. So yeah, let me show the architecture of this software. So yeah, as you can see here, we have one download application class, one download manager, one thread pool, and we have one queue here. So this is a download task queue, and this is file writer. So at the top we have main function, so everything will start from here, and then it will call the download application class. Here in the class, like we are handling the input output and like some APIs like for start downloading, post downloading, zoom downloading. And in the download manager we are managing the thread pool, like how we are like how many threads we have to create, and how to delete a task from thread, and how to add the task to thread. So yeah, and the thread pool manages this queue. This queue, like it holds the number of tasks here. So the task will be download task, like we have to download some file from the internet. And this download task class uses the libcurl library. This is the open source library developed in C. And this after taking the file from the internet, so this will store in file. So this uses the file writer class here. So yeah, so let me show the source code of it. Yeah, so as you can see here, this is the main.cpp file. So from starting from the main function, we have the download application object here, app, and this is the class for the same. So yeah, so this is the constructor and destructors, and these are the APIs. Like we have to start our downloads, start a single download, pause download, resume download, cancel download, remove download, and add files to download list. And this is the CLI list is like command line interface test. So here we can use this. We can take the input from the user, and they can do these functionalities like adding file to download list, remove download, start download, etc. So yeah. So starting from the download manager. Yeah. So this is the class for the download manager. So as you can see here, we have one thread pool here, and we are using this task mapping. So this map the URL to the download task, and we are also using mutex here because like this is a multi-threaded application. So to avoid the critical section problem, so we are using the mutex here. Yeah, and this is the source code for the same. So this source code is uploaded on GitHub. I will provide the link for the same in description. So then we can go over the thread pool class. So here we have like worker function. This worker function actually is, yeah, this one here. So this will check for if the we have given the command of like start download, then it will start downloading the file. Yeah. So now we can look for the task queue. Here this is a queue of download task, and we are also using mutex here because like multiple thread access this class. So to avoid the critical section, that's why we are using mutex here. And the download task class is yeah. So we have defined one enum here. So there are multiple states of the download, like if the download is we are starting a download, or it is pending, or it is in downloading state, or it is in post state, completed state, and failed state. So initially every download will be in the pending state. So we will change the state here in the download task class. So as you can see here, depending upon like what is the status of the curl, the way we will update the status. and depending also on the user input. Yeah. So let me demonstrate it by demo. So firstly, we will compile the code using make command. So the code is compiled. Now I will run this CLI test function from the download application. So this is the user interface. So we have like various options here. So number one is add file to download list, remove file, start all downloads, start a download, pause a single download, resume a download, cancel and exit. So if I add file in the download list, so this is asking for the URL, so I will copy paste this URL. Now I will add one more file. As this is a multi-threaded download manager, so it will download the files in parallel, like multiple files in parallel. This will not work like firstly it will download one file, then in another sequence it will download another file. So it will not work in sequence, it will work parallelly. So let me add another file. Now I will add this URL. Firstly copy then paste. So yeah, so now if I want to start a download, I will press 4. So we can see here we have the lister. So this is file number 1 and file number 2, and we can also start all the downloads, like multiple files, from the option 3. Now if I press 3 here, it will start downloading all the files. So as you can see here, this is like simultaneously accessing 2 files here. Yeah. Both files are downloaded. So as we can see, yeah. So as you can see, one is of 18 MB, one is of 10 MB. So that's the difference between 2 files. So yeah, that's all. You can check out the code on GitHub, and you can like use it in your project or for learning purpose. So yeah, thank you so much.